In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit drop-down lists in Google Sheets. Drop-down lists are a simple way to keep data consistent and fast to enter, especially for things like categories, statuses, or countries. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Google Sheets and the spreadsheet where you want the drop-down. Click the cell where you want users to make a choice. If you're planning to use the same list in multiple places, you can start with just one cell and expand later, but we'll set it up in a single cell first to keep things clear. At the top of the screen, go to the Insert menu and choose Dropdown. This opens the Dropdown Setup panel. You'll see some default options appear. Click into each option to edit the text. Replace the placeholders with the exact choices you want people to select. For example, if you're tracking regions, you might type China, Japan, and other countries relevant to your sheet. Press Enter to add more options, or use the Add button to create additional entries. You can also remove any you don't need. Take a moment to make the labels clear and consistent. If you plan to sort or analyze later, keep capitalization uniform. You can optionally assign colors to each option to make the sheet easier to scan. That's helpful for quick visual cues, but it's not required. When your list looks good, click Done to apply it to the selected cell. Now let's try it out. Click the cell again to highlight it. You'll see a small arrow appear on the right side of the cell. Click the arrow to open the list, and then click to highlight the option you want to select. The cell will fill with that choice immediately. If you ever need to change the list, select the cell and open the same drop-down settings from the toolbar or the right-click menu. Edit the option text, add or remove items, adjust colors, and click Done again. Your changes apply to that cell and any others that share the same drop-down configuration. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you want the same drop-down in a range, copy the cell and paste it across other cells to reuse the setup. If you need to clear a selection without removing the drop-down, press Delete on the cell. The list remains in place. And if you're collaborating, keep the list concise so people can find the right choice quickly. That's all you need to create and edit drop-down lists in Google Sheets with confidence.